Alright guys, it's April the 18th, 2019. Come to y'all with a video I didn't really want to make. As you can see, this is a 2006 Toyota Highlander hybrid. It's my wife's Highlander that we've had for about a little over 3 years. On March the 19th, exactly as of tomorrow, 1 month, she was in a little front end accident. She hit another car on the right hand side. As you can see, the damage is mostly on this side. I'll insert a few pictures of it so you can see. Alright, so as you've seen in the pictures, the body damage was mostly on the side. Structurally, the car is fine. The frame and the steering and all that, it still runs, but it's going to need a lot of work. I've already been starting to order most of all the upper structural arm and then the ear that comes over here. I should get all them in the mail tomorrow. Then I'll start tearing into it, well, as far as I have right now. I was taking all the hood, the fender, and what was left up front that needed to come off. But it's worth fixing. It's going to take me a little while. This is the next journey I'm going to have to do. I'm going to just film a little bit of me putting it back together so I can document it. The only airbag deployed was the driver's side steering wheel. Like I said, the car's still see that hybrid parts, it's on. In a few seconds the motor will start right on up like it's supposed to. Yeah, motor runs just fine. You see the wheel on this side. And on this side, it's perfectly in the spot where it's supposed to be. So this is what we're going to start working on. I guess the next couple of days. The next video I make, I'll show you as I've taken this out and re-welded the other piece in. Until then, y'all be good.